Tips for healthy eating during Ramadan. During the holy month of Ramadan, healthy adult Muslims practice daily fasting from dawn until sunset. Traditionally, one breaks the fast at sunset with a meal called iftar, and then eats again pre-dawn at suhoor. There is evidence to suggest that fasting can have positive effects on your health. By following simple guidelines, it may help you lose weight and decrease blood pressure and cholesterol. Alternatively, overindulging at iftar and suhoor can cause weight gain. The holy month is often seen as a time to practice self-control, self-discipline, sacrifice, and empathy for those less fortunate. It is encouraged to try to maintain these practices even outside of fasting hours. So, here are some points. Number 1 is: drink plenty of water and eat hydrating foods during Ramadan. Drink plenty of water between iftar and suhoor. High temperatures can also make you sweat more, so it is important to drink fluids to replace what you lose during the day, at least 10 glasses. You can also increase water intake by eating hydrating foods. The traditional Arabic salad contains plenty of hydrating cucumber and tomato. Avoid caffeinated drinks such as coffee, tea and cola, because caffeine can make some people urinate more often, which may lead to dehydration. Number 2 is consume the right foods at suhoor to last through the fasting hours. Suhoor should be a wholesome meal providing you with enough energy to last until iftar. Choose the right foods to sustain you through the fast. Eating complex carbohydrates, such as fruit and vegetables, beans, chickpeas and lentils, will provide you with a long-lasting source of energy throughout the day. Include low-fat dairy products, such as low-fat labna or laban, with your meal and try to incorporate healthy unsaturated fats like avocado, unsalted nuts, salmon, olives, and olive oil. Number 3 is replenish your energy levels by eating a healthy, balanced iftar. Eating 3 dates to break your fast is a traditional and healthy way to begin iftar. Dates are an excellent source of fiber. Incorporate plenty of vegetables to provide vital vitamins and nutrients. Choose whole grains, which provide the body with energy and fiber. Enjoy grilled or baked lean meat, skinless chicken and fish to get a good portion of healthy protein. In general, avoid fried and processed foods high in fat or sugar. Enjoy your meal and avoid overeating by eating slowly. Hope like this video. See you in next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon button.